How to create drop servicing website logo design with WordPress. Creating a drop service website for logo design using WordPress is a smart way to earn by outsourcing creative work. You act as the middleman, clients pay you for the logo design, and you hire freelancers to fulfill the service. So to do that, you need to understand the drop servicing model that you have first. So you sell logo design services on your site, and when a client places an order, you outsource the work to a designer. So to get started, you need to get hosting and install WordPress. So you can get hosting from popular hosting providers such as Bluehost or Hostinger. You can also buy a domain name on WordPress itself by clicking on this add a domain button, and that will take you in here. So make sure to select the domain that represents your website. Since this is an e-commerce website, it should represent how your website works. So after that, you need to install theme and page builder. So you need to use clean professional themes such as Astra and Ocean WP. So this themes are actually very intuitive, which actually can fit the different devices that you have, which makes it a great theme that you can use for your website. So after you have selected your theme, you need to proceed on installing the plugin such as the Elementor plugin. So in here, simply search for Elementor and then click on this and then install it. So this will allow you to easily drag and drop the signs on your website. After that, you need to set up your WooCommerce for payment. So search for WooCommerce on Plugins Marketplace and then go ahead and install it and activate it. Install WooCommerce to handle orders and payments, configure PayPal and Stripe gateways. After this, you need to create logo design packages. Add products like basic logo design and premium logo design. Include pricing, turnaround time, and deliverables. Design the homepage. Highlight your logo design services. Add testimonials, portfolio samples, and a clear call to action. After that, you need to create a logo brief form. So use plugins like WP Forms or Ninja Forms and ask clients for brand name, style preferences, colors, and examples. Now, automate order fulfillment. Once an order is placed, forward the brief to your freelancer, track delivery, and send the final logo to your client. And that is how you can basically create drop servicing website logo design with WordPress.